Tell me about FHA loan.
Yeah, so an FHA loan, it's a government loan. It's a great product out there. It's a lot looser when it comes to underwriting, so it's easier to qualify for. Right now, the 2025 max loan amount is $524,225. Good thing about FHA loans, it takes lower credit scores. It helps buyers into homes with lesser credit. Typically, with a minimum 3.5% down payment, you go down to 580. But you can also go lower. If you put 10% down, you can do an FHA loan with a 500 credit score. It is tougher to qualify for a debt to income ratio, but it is possible.
What documents do my client needs to get the FHA loan?
Right. So an FHA loan is just like a conventional loan for the most part. We always need an ID. You need 30 days worth of pay stubs, your last 2 years of W-2s. If you're self-employed, you need 2 years of business tax returns and personal tax returns. And then you're going to need your 2 months worth of bank statements. And again, stuff can pop up that we might need more documentation. That's the basic stuff that's needed.